Hey, good morning everyone. Welcome back to my La Jolla house tour. Today is kind of cloudy, but it's a good weather for you guys to check out this home. A 3-bed, 2-bath house right in a very quiet neighborhood of La Jolla. And actually, by the time we drive inside, it's also very private. I think I really like this location. I got Adam behind the cameras right now. Yeah, and he's gonna help me do the house tour today. So why don't we come inside, have a look. So yeah, this is gonna be our gateway to the house. And this house are currently listed for 2.7 millions. Yeah, they did the price cut. If you are following the San Diego market recently, you know that a lot of houses been cutting down their price because now it's the buyer market. I think this house gaining more attention and traction from the buyers ever since they got the house cut. And if you look on this side, before we head into the house, we got this massive yard right here. Yeah, this is very nice. Imagine sunny day and you're hanging out here with your families. Yeah, do some exercise here. So now let's head inside. Yeah. Oh, actually, I love the accent door they have right here. It looks very nice and kind of remind me of Asia country. And right when we walk inside, you will have your living rooms. Decent sized living room. It's actually have 2 living space. This is the first space, and the other space is gonna be on the other side right here. Yeah. Adam can follow me to the second space for the living room. This one doesn't have a TV, but it does have a fireplace. Very cozy for your families. And the way they design the common areas for this house is kind of like a loop. You kind of loop from the door to the fireplace to your kitchen right here. Yeah, very nice and look very vintage in a sense. It has a very charming vibe to the house. I love the colorway they're using for the cabinets here. It's going very well with the vintage style appliance. More living space, dining tables, and the old living room that we just talked about. And one feature I really like about this house is that they got a little cocktail bar right here. Yeah, very nice. Which kind of tell me about the owners, how they are appreciating the entertaining lifestyle a bit more. And before we headed to the outdoor, the backyard space, let me take you guys to one of the rooms first. So this big double doors right here gonna take you into the office, or you can say the first bedroom of the house. Same, they have cabinets, and they have this massive wardrobe in the back right here. Yeah, this kind of remind me of the old time my parents and my grandparents' house. We always using wardrobe like this to storing stuff. Yeah, I don't know if that's the same for you or not. Okay, and we got the laundry room right here, which actually connected to the garage. And honestly, they have some decent sized garage. I don't quite often seen 3-car garage before, but this is the 3-car garage. Yeah, you can kind of see the size of it. They actually convert the first space to kind of like a gym workout section for the house, which kind of makes sense because as you can see outside, the road is pretty big, and then the neighborhood they don't have much house, so pretty much you can have 2 cars here, a few cars out there, and some car on the street. So using one car space for workout areas is a good choice. And to the this is the second room here. Decent sized room, and yeah. Oh, I just noticed that they have some storage unit outside too. Yeah, it's actually the sidewalk for you to walk back out to the main road, and you can use that road to walk to the backyard. So that if you have people who doing gardening or maintaining your house, they can use that side instead of walking straight into your house, right? This is the first bathroom, and yeah, look at this beautiful countertop. Yeah, very nice. Simple setup. We got a toilet behind the door, and then a shower. This is the last room, which take you guys to the master bedroom. And if you see on this side of the wall right here, we have this entire wall filled up with cabinet space. So you have a lot of storing space. And for the master bedroom, you have the master bathroom. Yeah, same countertop. I love this stone they use right here. And they have the double sink your shower area right here. It's gonna be a stand-up shower, and then a toilet. Yeah. Okay. This is the bedroom, the master bedroom space, which actually overlook the backyard that we have right here. Ta-da! You should be able to see it a bit better now. And for the master bedroom, you can actually walk outside to your outdoor areas, the backyard. Now, what I like most about the backyard that this house have is that it have a little covering space, and the fact that we are on kind of like an elevation, the view is spectacular. Yeah. If you look close enough, you can kind of see the Mission Bay from the house, and which is something that you don't see quite often. And I'm pretty sure if when there's like like a firework or like some good events going on, you can kind of see the firework from your house as well, and the nightlife and all the lights when it's getting dark, it's gonna be so pretty. Yeah. And it's always nice to have a house on a elevation, right? The winds and then the sun, everything comes to you first. It's just a very peaceful stay, and a good location is probably the strongest selling point of this house. And on the left side of the house, if you walk all the way with me, it's actually take you back out to the outdoor space that we talked about in the beginnings. Yeah, right here. Yeah, so it's actually like a whole loop, the whole cycle. It's a very nice feature to mention too. This house does really bring me a very homey vibe, and it's truly for someone that appreciate the San Diego living and the privacy lifestyle. So yeah, I'll leave more information of the house down below in my description of the videos. But if you do interested about this house, reach out to me, DMs, and then we can talk more about the house. And yeah, if you have any more questions about real estate in general, reach out to me, and then I will help you with any of that. Okay, but thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.